How to earn points on Shein account. Let's get started. The very first thing you can do is check in daily. Launch your Shein app and make sure you have already logged into your account. Head towards the option of Me. You'll see the option of points. Click on it. Now click on this option of Go Check In. This is very easy way to earn points by entering the application every day and clicking on this option of Check In. Heading towards next option, that is you can participate in outfit contest. Every week, Shein launches several themes on which you can make a complete outfit by adding Shein items. Likewise, another way to earn Shein point is by not missing Shein's live. In Shein live shows, you can find out about the latest news in fashion, beauty and pop culture. In addition, points and gift cards are given away at random. Likewise, by checking Shein service center time to time, you can earn points. Over here, you can see the option of service center. You can click on it. Make sure you check this page. From time to time, service pop up and they give you some extra points. So this is how you can earn points on Shein account. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.